Okay, so today we're looking at this Vauxhall Insignia key, 2 buttons. This is the type that doesn't flick down, so the blade's static all the time. Not as common as the flick keys, and we're going to show you how to change the battery. Now it's really easy. Come to this end of the key. Okay, the gap is quite large there, so just rest the screwdriver on top. Mind you don't slip and cut yourself, which is what some people have done, and we've done it in the past. And just open that up. The key battery is a 2032, and there, to get it out, there's a little cutout just here. Just pop that in there. And then when you put your new one in, just pop it into the battery inserts first, so pop that bit in first, then pop your cover back down, and you are good to go with a 2-button Vauxhall Insignia key.